Okay, everybody, we got some electrical going on in here. We're gonna get a light ceiling fan up here and do a little bit of work to get it there. That's what you do. And then we're gonna come up here, watch this. Getting 2 dedicated circuits for the air conditioner. That right there. Right there, you got 2 wires coming in this access. It's gonna pull it up there. And it's gonna come down and around in the wall. It's gonna head that way. And it's gonna head that way. I already put an access in there. We're gonna put a receptacle there, dedicated. That one has a receptacle. We're gonna put a receptacle here. Right here, there's gonna be like an office, a little kids area. Learning activity area. That has an outlet. We're gonna put a dedicated outlet right there. And that dedicated outlet's gonna be for an air conditioner also. Got you taken care of, Mary. We got the crew here. Dobrick Electric and Services. The job gets too big for you to handle it all. Get in a professional team that's gonna treat you right, that you work with on a regular basis. Here we go. We got dedicated lines already fished through. That's why I kept my lights out. As you can look up in there and see, there they are. They're good. These guys are good. We're gonna get a brand new line here for the washer and dryer. It's gonna be on the wall, dropped. New dedicated circuit. We're gonna get this fixed right here. That's junk. And it goes to that outlet, no ground. They also got this above the furnace they're using for a junction box. Makes no sense, but we're getting rid of that. If you look at that one video where I got like 5,400 views, it's a short. The wire that shoots back down, take a look at it. It came from this zone right here, which this is where we're threading everything. Right here. But that's where it came from. And remember, for the people that didn't know, this is that basement I just put together. It is. Look at that. Is that awesome or what? Look at that. Absolutely dimensional. Now we're gonna come over here. We're gonna give you that same look. Look at that. Almost got this done. It looks like a studio. Till next time, please like, share, subscribe. The pro you need to know.